Hello everyone, so in today's video we're gonna learn the letter N in the Copperplate script. As you can see, it's quite simple to write and it's very similar to the letter M that we learned earlier. So we first start off with an overturn, then we add a compound curve, and when we add these two strokes together we get the letter N. Now, if you don't know about the basic strokes, do check out the link in my description box, which takes you to the basic strokes video, and it's a very detailed video and you will learn quite a bit from it. Okay, so yeah, and now I'm just gonna write down the letter N. So first we start off with an overturn, and then we just add a compound curve to it, and that's our letter N. So I'll just write it down again. So while you're writing it, you want to make sure that the width between the strokes right there, it's equal. You want to make sure that it's equal throughout, so the letter looks uniform and nice. So yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.